Hi, welcome to my vlog. The fuck is that shit growing on my neck? I still can't believe I'm using a bidet. Working and working out at the same time. You can find me in the club. What's up, Fatless? Oh my god, you're just eating yesterday's catch, huh? So you're gonna monitor this shit for me tonight and ice it, and later on we'll figure out if I tore my pec, right, nurse?
Yo.
Let's fix this trolling motor. Key issues. Nuts. Fuck Joe Biden.
It's fun.
What's up, Pastor Ron? How's the hernia in the house? Good?
Hernia is kicking butt.
Well, all right, we'll pray for you.
Yeah, we need that prayer, man.
That looks like it hurts, brother.
It hurts, man.
Welcome aboard. All right, you ready to kick these guys' asses into shape?
Let's do this.
God uses people to put things in place so it makes you more prosperous and it makes you more productive.
Brilliant. There's no sleeping in the office. Say hi.
Hi.
Hanger steak and collard greens. Ukrainian borscht. Support the war effort. Tying up my tomatoes. What's up, ducks? Oh, you're unconscious now, huh? Are you supporting the war in Ukraine?
Yeah, absolutely.
Should we watch Love, Death, and Robots and call it a day?